guys, it's Jason here, and we're back with another unboxing video. Don't worry about my hair, don't worry about it. I didn't take a shower yet. I was doing some homework. My dad was, sleeping because he just came back from work, and I didn't want to make too much sound. I'm gonna end up working out later on after I finish reading some of the chapters and a bunch of other stuff that I have to do. But anyways, we're back with another unboxing video. Yesterday, or whenever you guys get that video, it should come out sometime in March or April because it's taking me a really long time to edit these videos. So basically, the previous day before this recording, I unveiled the U.S. Air Force Airman Battle Uniform Field Jacket. Today, we have another field jacket. Like, what can I say? Like, you guys know that you're just going to be getting a whole lot of field jackets. Without further ado, we're going to jump right into that and open it up for you guys. So here's what we have. We have our package. It's kind of small looking. It's from Mike's Militaria. You guys should know what that website is already. It has a wide selection of military surplus. You can use it for fashion statement like I do, or you can actually do military cosplay, which is something that I want to do, but I don't have enough money right now. So I want to be able to save up and do that, and perhaps one day make a video out of it. As of right now, we're just going to be doing these unboxing videos, showing off all that good military surplus. Judging from the looks of it, it is packed all the way, so I do have to be careful. Here's what I'm going to do in order to prevent what happened previous videos ago where I cut the German Tropentarn jacket by accident. We're gonna cut a little bit of the side, and then I'm gonna figure out how I want to open it from here. Do I want to rip it, or do I want to use a scissor? I think I'm just gonna rip it. Yeah, that's better. That's a better idea. That way I don't have to worry about getting anything cut or damaged. Normally there's like a slip, a little, what is it, like a little business card or a sticker, but I don't think there's any of that in here. Maybe there will be once I take it out, but what we have today is something that I've wanted for a while. In my previous videos, there's a video, my recent unboxing video, it's called The Big Unboxing. In the background, you can see that I have Singaporean M09 field pants, and I have something to complement that and complete the set. We have exactly what it is, Singaporean M09 field jacket, and it even says right there Singapore, and it actually comes with a name too. I think the name is Johann Wong. That sounds like a mix of a German name and a Chinese name. This is really cool. It's in a size 40, so on the website it said it was in a medium, but it looks fairly large. And oh yeah, we have a sticker to complement that. So we're gonna try this on real quick, and it actually does come with a rank too. I have no idea what that rank is. Someone comment down below what the rank is if you guys are from Singapore or just really, well knowledged in military ranks and whatnot. This is really cool. Oh yeah, it's a combination of Velcro straps and buttons. So yeah, it says right here, there's a tag. It says Singaporean Armed Forces. That's what the SAF stands for. It is made, it says Hong Sing Incorporated something. It doesn't say where it's from, but my guess is that it was made in China, and the reason why is because Singapore as an island nation doesn't have enough land to be able to build factories in order to meet the needs of their military and just about pretty much everything else. So they usually, when it comes to making these types of things, they have to outsource it to other countries and then hope that they don't get the design stolen or something. So yeah, and it comes with a patch too, which is really cool. This says foremost and utmost. That's how I say it, right? Yeah, that's so cool. That's neat. I love it. I should do that with my Greek field jacket, which is the first field jacket that I had. I think that video's up. It was the first unboxing video I've done in a hot minute, so you guys should go watch that. It's what got me into further buying military surplus. It's been on my radar for a while, but I guess I just never got around to doing it. It actually comes with a name. It's not my name, but hey, I bet you the guy who probably owned this is watching this and going, hey, that's my field jacket you have there. Don't worry, it will be well taken care of and maintained, and I'm going to flex this at my college. Here it is, guys, the Singaporean M09 field jacket, or more like field shirt, because it is kind of a bit of a flimsy one. It's kind of a tight fit, but then again, my M81 Woodland field jacket was also a tight fit too. Again, this is just an indicator that I do need to lose weight, but overall I give it a 10 out of 10. It's really customized too. Like, it has the name of the person on here, and it also has a little bit of a patch on here, which normally doesn't come with a lot of the field jackets that I order. I'd have to go and order whatever custom patches that come with the uniform, or I could just buy some other one. I don't know. But yeah, this is different. It actually came with its own patch. I think my Slovakian M97 field jacket also came with a patch too. It was a really big one. It had like the rank indication and whatnot. But yeah, this is the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what you think about the Singaporean M09 field jacket. I also have the pants to complement that. I don't want to wear it right now because I'm just too lazy and I really don't want to. Hope you guys have a good one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.